Hello, this is Daryl for Friday the 13th of May 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. We thank you so much for subscribing to our channel here and viewing our videos. So today, the market closed in the red. It closed negative. Why did it close negative today? Well, consumer companies. So we had Nordstrom reported today, and also JCPenney. So what we had with Nordstrom is Nordstrom slumped 13.60% today, and that was after reporting lower than expected sales. We also had JCPenney lost 3.78 points today, percent, and that was after reporting as well lower than expected sales. So this is now a recurring theme here, because yesterday we spoke about Macy's, who as well reported lower than expected sales, and it's what we are seeing now with all department stores. They are all losing share to Amazon and other online companies. Because what we are seeing now is the retailer buying things online instead of going into the stores. Only certain things they are looking to go into the stores for. So this is really a new shift that we are seeing in North America, not just the United States, in North America, and it's the I think companies are then going to start changing to that. A number of them are already. A number of them have online divisions in order to you could buy things online. So it's going to be a new change. It's the new it's the new reality in this new computer age that we are in, right? We did have some good news though. We had the U.S. Retail sales for April, and it showed, which is last month. It shows that. Sales jumped 1.3% last month, and that is the highest gain since March 2015, right? And it's a bigger rise than the economists were expecting, so it was very good news, and it should really have dominated market sentiment. But instead, what was what was the focus of the markets instead was the reports of these department stores, and it really dragged down the markets because of it. And what we had was the Dow Jones average closing today down 185.18 points to 17,535.32. The S&P 500 down 17.50 points to close at 246.61. So what we're seeing is that the S&P 500 is hovering around the 2050 area in trading, and that is actually an interesting data that we are watching, and it shows the volume. The level of volume that we have in the S&P 500. We have also the Nasdaq down 19.66 points to close at 4717.68. So, all in all, it was a bad day trading. We had, for brief moments, the S&P went above, and it went positive. But at close it went back into negative. So, could we see a change next week? Could we see a nice rally? It is very possible, because the market right now is moving on the reports that are coming in, the quarterly earnings report. So, if we could have a good quarterly earnings report next week, we could see the market rallying again. Or, if we see the price of oil gain next week, it could also help the market. So Um, and these things are quite possible. So hopefully we could have a nice rally next week to talk about, because now this week was actually a down week for the markets. There were more um, negative days than positive days this week. So hopefully we could see that trend change next week, and we could have a nice sweet rally. Okay? But we'll be here to break down the markets for you as it happens. Okay? This is Daryl, and this has been the DE Market Summary. You have a good weekend.